heart of the campus to the world, we only bring you the latest historias that only matter. This is Historia International.
Today, January 30, 2025, we highlight the special performance of NU Pep Squad who secured their 8th winning title as champion in UAAP Season 87 cheer dance competition as they showcase their remarkable cheerleading skills, championship routine, and to inspire future athletes as they fly high again here at SM College. Good day, Nationalians. Here we are with.
Hi everyone, my name is Coach Gabby of NU Pep Squad.
So sir, how does it feel to perform here at NU Bacolod?
Yeah, sabi nga namin para siyang full circle kasi last year we've been here yung hindi pa ganun nag-open si NU Bacolod and now we're here at nakikita marami ng estudyante sa NU Bacolod. Napakasaya na mag-perform para sa inyo dito.
But how do you ready your squad physically and mentally before the very big competition?
Ay wow. Meron kaming talaga, we go usually sa isang we call it the Fifth Manila. We go there spiritually. We try to fill in yung mga kailangan naming mga factors sa before the competition, spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. Kasi physically, we're ready na talagang pinipare namin to for since nung Feb pa bago mag-competition. So early talaga nag-prepare, and yung mga little factors like yung spirituality, mental health and stuff, yun yung pinag-ready namin talaga.
So thank you so much, sir. Once again, welcome to NU Bacolod. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
They indeed prove once again that they are the best. Once again, this is Jamie Chalky Sarmela from Historia International.